Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special for all the little princesses out there. It's the iTVTi Princess Peach costume dress for girls kids cosplay pink outfit. Now, before we dive into the enchanting details of this costume, let me tell you why this is the best Princess Peach costume for kids available in the market right now. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this Princess Peach costume is a dream come true for any young fan of the iconic character. Made with soft and comfortable double-layer fabric, it ensures your little one can wear it for hours on end without any discomfort. Just look at how adorable it looks on our little model here. The stand-up collar design, puffy cuffs, and button closure at the back not only make it easy to put on and take off but also add to the overall charm of the dress. And let's not forget about the accessories. This costume comes complete with everything your little princess needs to complete her transformation into Princess Peach. From the detachable blue gemstone badge to the crown, ear clips, gloves, and star wand, every detail is spot on. Available in sizes suitable for girls aged 2 to 8 years old, this costume is perfect for a wide range of occasions. Whether it's daily wear, cosplay, birthday parties, Halloween, Christmas, or any other special event, your little one will be the belle of the ball. So, if you want to make your little princess's dreams come true, look no further than the iTVTi Princess Peach costume dress for girls kids cosplay pink outfit. Trust me, it's worth every penny. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fantastic product reviews. Until next time, happy shopping!